Here we have a 2008 Daihatsu Hijet Jumbo Cab. This one is an automatic. Very, very clean. Only 22,000 miles. Has the 2-inch lift kit, upgraded front springs, new 8-ply tires and wheels. Jumbo cab still gives you as far as a huge rear bed with fold down sides. Gives you easier access for loading and unloading things. It's a very nice clean interior. The 2008 Jumbo cab. Power windows. Very clean interior. This one has a upgraded stereo with the auxiliary cord, heat and air conditioning, an automatic transmission. Where you can see the more headroom, leg room. It's a built-in storage area here. Gives you a storage area behind the seat. The jumbo cabs also give you a more plush, comfortable seat that reclines. Very nice truck.